So we are officially here, and this track's kind of nuts. I think we're following the theme of these tracks that are fun on the sim are even crazier in real life. So livery design, sweatshop was being run last night. We are doing what we can with what we have.
This is our Elysium Racing sweatshop.
And I'm making the 2026 livery.
When we say we're a small and mighty team, we mean it. We mean it.
And I think it's gonna come out pretty cool. So all the tech inspection, paperwork stuff is today, and then tomorrow, bright and early, we are out for practice. So the expectation is the same as always. Go and sweep this thing, show them how it's done, put on that clinic. And I think it's gonna be a great time. This is the first time since doing Fiesta in a Next Gen that we're repeating a discipline for a year. And we all know how Next Gen went, almost sweeping the title. So I think it's gonna be a really, really good season. Gonna start it off right here at Road Atlanta. And this is oddball for me. It's been a long time since I've gone back to a series to repeat, even though we only did 2 race weekends last year, but same old, same old. So I'm excited, team's excited. Bring Russia Central Texas up where they belong. We live, hot mics.
Just like the sim.
What?
Yeah, that's a problem.
We're shaking it down. Come on, baby.
That's a lot of smoke.
Yeah, and temps are fine.
Temps are fine.
Oh yeah, here.
It's oil.
On the diff.
I was watching Pro Spec earlier. You put me in a car tomorrow, I'll at least qualify for the top 32.
Put some respect on Pro Spec.
If you're not even
steering in half on the way to tech inspection, and it was smoking, and we figured it was just oil burning off the oil change. Then we got back, and the whole ducting that goes to the airbox was falling off. Then we go to film, and I stop at a stop sign. I'm like, oh man, FD's really cooking, and my diff is almost catching on fire. But right?
we're not even racing.
We're not even there yet.
Can't even drive around the parking lot
without
without
something
something
breaking.
breaking.
I was waiting for my wheel to pop off. I was going to pop a drive shaft.
I think the main thing to take away is the vibes that driver over there, Elysium Racing, he's just a nucleus of vibes. And beneath the man is the nucleus. So he's been giving me the tips on what to look out for. We've discovered some stuff. Hopefully we can figure out the fuel thing. Some work has to be done to the car tomorrow, post-practice. And that man is ready. Coming out of Crescent, the driving he did. And yeah, I think he's got this on lock. As long as the car stays together, then the man can drive. Then he'll drive.
I'm praying.
What are you praying for?
I'm praying. My car.
It's the word of the day. How you feeling?
Feeling great. Get to drive. All the gremlins are out of the car. I'm chilling. It is quite literally chill in. It's gonna be very slippery out there. A little slip and slide never scared me. Got done with our first practice. I don't think a lot of people listen in the driver's briefing because we got a lap and a half of green flag running, but now I know the track, already flat out through the S's, that's all I cared about, so ready to rip for quali coming up in about 30 minutes. So it is gonna be a madhouse out there with 53 cars. 55 steaks, 55 fries, 55 taters. But I'm excited. It's gonna be a damn good time. And we'll see what's gonna happen. I have no idea what to expect. Like, between sorting out car issues and pretty much no practice, it's just gonna like go out there and floor it and see what happens. So I'm gonna go get ready, and I'll see you on the other side. So we got 1 lap in quali, 5 safety car laps, and then my shifter broke off. So they're still going. There's another yellow out, so like 5 people went off in the first lap, and even more people were acting like idiots under the safety car. So I think we need a new license system here, folks. Feels like iRacing, like 800 iRating MX5 Cup right now. So welcome to motorsport, fellas. This is what happens. At least we look good. At least now I know that's not J-Rob. For a second, I was like, J-Rob, what are you doing?
GRIDLIFE Rush Series, Michelin Raceway Road Atlanta at GRIDLIFE Special Stage. Here we go. Green flag, we're underway. Now get single file down through these S's, but nicely done by the field there.
Yeah, big round of applause for all those drivers for keeping things clean.
The field, though, as they sweep through. Is there Ellis Spiezia up to 12th place?
All right, that's a wrap on day 1 of Mayhem. It's the first session we had no safety cars, so it's going to rain tomorrow morning, and that's going to undo that streak that we got going on. But P34 to P12, doing what we normally do, not too bad. It was absolute mayhem. That was my first time actually getting to drive the track, so pretty good. And we're going to see what tomorrow brings. Get the car sorted, get myself sorted. I'm gonna go have a yerba mate and eat some dinner and go knock out. So bring you along for the ride tomorrow, and we will see how far we can go.
We got told by another driver that we're being too aggressive,
He
right?
makes people nervous.
He makes people nervous. Renner's forgot his camera at home this morning.
Cameraman forgot the camera.
Cameraman forgot the camera, drove home, got back. We don't even know where he is. Then Frank is flipping out because he didn't turn Ellis's GoPros on before he went out. Ellis about to put on the clinic. P12. He's gonna send it.
Yes.
We're gonna hope that some rain comes down.
The
but
live stream will get it. The live stream will get it. If these are the gremlins this morning, I'll take it.
we'll take these gremlins.
Green flag, and we're underway for day 2 of GRIDLIFE Special Stage in the GRIDLIFE Rush Series. Side by side up towards the first corner. And full course yellow is out.
Oh no, must be someone near the back.
Green is out, and there was a lot of finagling back there, 3 across as they came down through turn 12. And this is what race control will be watching very closely. Did anybody jump that restart? That will draw you a penalty. Through turn 1.
cannon before the backstroke.
They are, right?
They just power out of it. All right, so we just wrapped up the very early race one of today. Made up to 8th, so now we're fighting in the front group. We are 2 laps of green flag running with a safety car, so is what it is. We still had a pretty solid result. Now we're starting up a little further. Really happy about that. I got in trouble because apparently I'm scaring people and they're nervous when I'm in their mirrors from coming up the pack yesterday. So I think it's time for a Dale Earnhardt sticker on the back bumper and just get out of the way. That's all I could say. If, it's a big field, pace deficits are big. I was just getting up where I belong. So I've officially had my first run-in with authority here. And it's not even because I hit anybody, it's just because my aura is too strong and they see that big number 11 behind them and they get scared. So I'll take that. It's the first time I've ever had that conversation. And I think it'll be a good rest of the weekend.
50 cars on the grid here, Jacob, for our 3rd race of 4 this weekend. We've set the grid by best lap. Ellis Spiezia up to 10th place. He rolls off in the 5th row. Here we go, green flag, and we're underway in the GRIDLIFE Rush Series at Special Stage. We're 4 wide in the middle of the field on the run to turn 1.
Yeah, hopefully everybody keeps it clean. We are very wide all the way through. This is going to get quite dicey, turning up to 1.
Contact. Grim got pushed from behind. I think he went on defense, and it just looks like he might have a problem. He's slow going into turn 6. And as we get the full course yellow now as the field comes up the hill. And green flag, and we're back underway. No white flag here, so it's at least 2 laps to go. This is the 4th and final race for the GRIDLIFE Rush Series. Time to go racing. GRIDLIFE Rush Series, race 4 of the weekend from Special Stage at Road Atlanta. Green flag, and we're underway in the Rush Series.
So as a wrap on Atlanta, it has been a crazy weekend of racing. Qualifying mechanical fault sent us to 32nd in race 1, crawled all the way back up to 12th. So in race 2, I finished 5th, and then because the grid for race 3 is set by your fastest lap time, I started 10th. So a little funky, but pretty much outside of the P12 from coming up from 32nd, I was in the top 10 this whole weekend. So it was super successful in that sense. And we're 7th overall. Somehow, some way, some magical, whatever powers that be, the racing gods were on our side when it came to the overall result. Hopefully all the mechanical gremlins have been expelled on the first weekend of GRIDLIFE this year. So a huge thank you to the Russia Central Texas team and Peter Bravo. Absolutely stellar performances all around, and really, really excited to get to Gingerman to go party.